Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by checking your Poco model and MIUI version so you know which menus apply. This avoids dead ends. Once done, make a quick backup and confirm you're signed into your MI account to preserve settings. Now go to Settings and open Permissions, then tap on Apps or Auto Start Controls. This is where ad serving components live. You're laying groundwork so subsequent switches affect the right services and so you can restore if needed. You'll now remove the core pathways ads use: notifications, personalization, and background activity. First, in notifications, block promoted content from the system apps. This stops pop-ups. Next, in additional settings, locate ad services or personalized recommendations and turn them off to cut targeting and tracking. This reduces ad frequency. Finally, restrict auto start and background activity for apps like System Ads Framework so they can't relaunch. These steps remove both visible ads and the hidden processes that fetch them. You're close. Clear cache and data for My Browser, System Ads, and any advertising modules to remove stored promos. That prevents immediate reappearance. Then reboot so changes take effect and make sure no new recommendations or pop-ups show up. If you still see ads, double-check app permissions and disable any suspicious or recently installed apps. If issues persist, make sure MIUI is updated. Updates can change ad behavior. As a final tip, use Safe Mode to isolate which app is causing persistent ads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.